Hello everybody, this is Ebony and I am here to bring you an idea today or a tip about school lunch. So I encourage people to pick up school lunch because if we don't utilize it, then they may not continue the sites that you're picking them up from. So please try to pick them up. But the problem is sometimes the kids don't like what they send, and that's understandable. I want to show you what they sent, one of the meals from last week. Well, my son left it in the refrigerator, and if anybody knows me, I don't let anything go to waste. So what they had was a little ham and cheese or ham and turkey sandwich. They had, of course, milk, and then they have an orange and some celery sticks with tomatoes. So all that's cool, and with some condiments. That's what came in the bag. So one quick tip that I can show you guys to use with just one of the parts is, of course, save your milk. You can freeze these. So let the freezer be your friend. Put these in the deep freezer so whenever they are ready to have cereal or something, you can use the milk. So if they're not drinking the milk, go ahead and freeze it. Otherwise, have your milk. And this little sandwich here, which for me, I think is pretty cool. I would eat it just like it is, but if you have picky eaters in the house, this is what idea that you could do with it. So first, just get you just a little bit of butter. And what you do is you get the bread and you put the butter on the bread. And notice I'm putting it on the inside of the bread and not on the outside of the bread. And I'll show you why. It's because what we're gonna do is actually flip the bread upside down. Same thing with the other side. Just get a little butter, put on the inside of the bread, and get you a frying pan that's already heated up. So we're gonna put the sides of the sandwich that have the butter on it inside out, basically. So we're putting it on there. We are pushing this thing down. So then, look at this. You have a grilled ham and cheese sandwich that the kids would just love. Look at the cheese. They put a lot of cheese on these sandwiches. I mean, the cheese and all that stuff is oozing out. That looks pretty appetizing to me. So basically what you can do then is just cut it in half. Get your orange. And maybe a bag of chips. So this is what lunch looks like. It went from a bland meal that the school sent to something that you can repurpose. And for the rest of it, when I make chicken salad for the next day, you can use these. You can also make omelets out of the fresh vegetables. Serve with the milk, of course, and if they're not gonna drink it at that point, just put it in the freezer and let it unthaw inside of the refrigerator when you're ready to consume the meal. So take a look. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos to get more information whenever I put them out. Hit the bell notification. Thanks.